Christmas after 50 brings a unique blend of reflection and gratitude, a time when memories glow brighter than ever. We cherish the traditions passed down, now seeing them through the eyes of both child and elder. The quiet moments become more profound, filled with the peace that only comes with years of faith and experience. Each twinkling light reminds us of God's enduring presence, a constant source of hope and love. We find joy not just in the gifts, but in the simple act of giving and the bonds that tie us together. The laughter of grandchildren, the warmth of a shared meal, these are the true treasures of the season. In prayer, we reflect on the journey, grateful for every blessing and every challenge that has shaped us. Candlelight dances, illuminating faces filled with peace and the quiet understanding of a life well lived. This Christmas, may your heart be filled with the profound peace that comes from knowing God's love is eternal. Even as the years change us, God's love does not. It remains our constant, guiding light. Merry Christmas, and may your season be blessed with joy, peace, and enduring love.